What's up guys, welcome back to another video on our channel. If you do enjoy, make sure to drop us a like and subscribe. And today, me and Sam have gone to a dump and deliver around near where we live, and we've gone to pick up a bike, and today we are having to attempt to renovate it. So on the screen will pop up before and after, and yes, that will be the end of the video. So this is the end product of the bike me and Sam renovated that we got from the dump.
So let me tell you what I've done to it. Well, both of us are mainly me.
Okay, so first of all, we've got new tyre,
new inner tube. I cleaned the spokes, they're a bit dirty. Sharpened both brakes. Lubed up this WD-4 seed everywhere. New suspension lube.
drink
holder straightened. You know, we nicked this off an old bike, so I just refitted that, and it was done by cycall. That's their contact details if you want it. And if you're watching, Charlie, thank you for all the parts. You're such a legend, and for the lube that I bought. So thank you very much. And now we're just going to ride this beauty of a bike.
See what we can do.
Maybe if we get to 1,000 subscribers, we might give it away. Yeah?
Nah, it's too good.
It's too good. It's too good for you subscribers.
Okay,
anyway, subscribe.
Okay,
And like,
the end video.
and comment what you think of it, but it can't be bad. It has to be good. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go check it. We're gonna just do some clips on this. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Right, go.